Hot airdrop alert. So in this video we are going to look at this new airdrop that just launched on 17th of this month, July 2026. That was when this project called YEBLOCK project was launched, and it is very easy to mine. So if you miss Pi at the early stage or Sidra at the early stage, do not miss this YEBLOCK. YEBLOCK is now a new trendy platform, and we are optimistic that they are going to deliver. So to mine is very easy. I'm going to guide you also on how to register. So once you register, you are going to see the interface like this, and make sure that your own is showing this verified. If it is showing unverified, because you're going to use your email to register, once you send your email, they are going to send you OTP to that email. Just copy that number and come this place that may be showing unverified. Tap on it. You're now going to see where you are going to input that email, that code you got from your email. You put there and you click on verify now, and automatically you're going to verify your email. Email verification is needed so that your account will show that you're a real woman and not a bot. So after that, this is how you mine. You mine every 24 hours. You come back here and mine. You can click on this three dots here to install the app. Let's tap on that three dots. So once you tap on it, you're going to see, scroll down, you're going to see install and create. So you can actually install it so that it will be easy for you to mine. Then after that, you are going to click on these three lines here so that you can mine. So you are going to see here your invitation code. You can share it with your friends, your community, and this is the link. You can share it together, and this is how you mine. You are now going to see YEBLOCK. Tap on this thing so that you can resume your mining. So it's going to bring you here. You take your time to read. There's an official community, YEBLOCK, and every other thing. You can see here check-in. You can see here YEBLOCK check-in. So you tap on it. Give it time. Can you see I have gotten 1.21 YBT, and this one is showing pending 0.21 YBT referral check-in. So I need to claim this one. That is why it is important to use my referral link so that you can receive this welcome bonus. So I will tap on it. Let's wait. Can you see it has added up now? You click on claim all, and you see I have gotten them all. You can as well decide to upgrade to become a KOL. So you need to upgrade only if you want to be a KOL, but you know that this kind of thing is not usually free. So you better stick to your free mining for now. So this is how you mine. Every 24 hours you come back here and mine. As simple as that. It doesn't pass like this. This project is actually new, so many people are yet to know this. So take that advantage and mine so that you can accumulate points before the official listing of this project. You will have enough points, and not just about registering. Make sure that you are active. If you register a project, be active to accumulate points. So now let's go back. So here is why you will see the app, the community, the profile, and your referrals. So this is where you are going to tackle every information here. So this is where you see your referral code. Share it with your friends and families. So make sure that you do this, and make sure that your account is verified. So this is how you register. Once you click on the link in my bio, it's going to redirect you, and you are now going to put your email address. After that, you're going to put your username, and once you put your username, you are also going to put your password. So make sure you use something that you can remember, and after that, after putting your password, you will also be asked to confirm that password. That is putting your password again. So once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do right now is to make sure that my referral code is showing there so that you can receive this welcome bonus. And after that, you are going to click on submit, and you are going to see registration successful, and you are now going to be asked to go into login. You need to log into the app. So you click on go to login. So once you tap on that go to login, it's going to bring a place for you to now put that your email address and your password. So once you put your email address and password, you will be logged into the app. It is very, very easy. Just follow the prompting and you're going to log in. And remember, once you put that your email, they are going to send you OTP, like I said. So you need that OTP to verify your email. Your email must be verified so that you will not, your account will be authentic and original. Without verifying your email, the system, can you say login is successful? The system might see your account as a fake or both account. So make sure you click on that verify now. You need to go to that your email you use and put your email and copy the code and click on verify now. Just put that code and automatically you will resume